So I've managed to snag these gorgeous little tiny new potatoes, and I'm going to cook them. I'm going to do a smash roast. So first of all, I'm going to boil them up with some rosemary. I've got some fresh rosemary from my garden, and then I need a bit of plenty of salt in there, and then I just need some water in there. So put in some pre-boiled water. I know you're supposed to boil them from cold, but I'm too lazy. And then I'll put some heat under that, and I'll boil them until they're just turning slightly soft, and then I'll drain it, smash them, and roast them, and I'll show you that process when we get there. So there we are. I've got them transferred now, boiled and transferred over to baking tray. I'm just going to give them a quick quick smash. You're not trying to mash them up completely, you just want to bash them like this. And then I want to get hold of some garlic cloves and just hit them with something hard, and just throw them straight in. They will roast alongside your potatoes. It's my microwave kicking on. And then onto that lot, I'm going to put some more rosemary, more fresh rosemary. You can also use dried rosemary. You won't need as much if you use dried, about half that amount. And a good old glug of olive oil. There we go. One last thing I want to put on there is a bit more salt. And I'm just going to bake those in the oven, 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes. These little beauties are called mici, and they are a speciality of Romania. And apparently, I spoke to the lady at my local deli, and she explained to me these are very popular brand from Romania, and I will be cooking them because I went to Romania in 1992, just after the revolution over there, and ironically that's the date that this little company was founded, so that's rather interesting. I'm going to cook these on my broiler, under my grill, as we say in the United Kingdom. I'm going to cook these in the broiler in the oven, and they should turn out pretty good. I was advised to put some water in the bottom of the pan, and I've also, as you see, lined it with some aluminium foil, so we'll see how that goes. I will get these out of here and onto the grill rack. So that's them separated out onto my grill rack, and I've added about a glass of water to the grill tray, and now we'll get them grilled. I'm going to put them under the grill and just watch them. I would imagine it's going to be something like about 6 to 8 minutes, and then turn them and then give them about 5 minutes after that. I would think something like that, but I'll let you know. Alright, let's see what these have turned out like. Oh yes, yummy. Don't they look good? Let's get you in a bit closer. I think they're going to go down a treat. Alright, that's one side done. It took about 5 minutes. And I'm just going to flip them over now and then get them back in. Oh, they're looking good already. Look at that. Real nice. Excellent. I'll do that. Get them back in for another 5 minutes and then show you the finished product. Okay, let's have a look at these. Oh yes. Oh, that familiar smell. They are so good. That is pretty awesome. Let's get a shot of that. Get you in a bit closer, let you see what they look like. Outstanding. I'm just going to serve those up now with some smashed roasted potatoes and some winter salad, and that'll be a real feast. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.